So I've got the water to air water system plumbed and running right now. So this is the Bosch pump. So it's going out, feeding water to the top row of the heat exchanger. And it's a dual pass, so it goes down to the bottom row and back across. And then out of the heat exchanger along this top hose into the top of the bumper, which is welded up, and that's a reservoir. And so it flows across the bumper reservoir and then out the bottom, down to the intercooler inlet. So at the back side of the core, the water flows into the intercooler, through the core to cool the air, and then back up to the pump. The T right here is a T that feeds up to this reservoir. You can see it feeds up to right there. And that's a fill reservoir. And the top line to the reservoir is just a small 1/4 inch diameter line to this top bleed port here. So that's what allows the system to evacuate all the air as I fill it. It doesn't fill real fast, but I think I measured just shy of 2 gallons total volume in the system so far. So that pump is running on 13 volts right now from that power supply, and it's pulling about 3 or so amps. And that was kind of what I expected for that pump. Nice and quiet. System's leak free right now. I don't have any hose clamps on anything, but I just wanted to do a leak check, and I pressure tested everything, and I did find one pinhole in a weld I had on the tank, but I fixed that. So now things are ready. I'll put some clamps on stuff. I'll put some braided sleeve over some of the hoses to provide some abrasion protection, and then the front end will go back together and it'll be ready to rock and roll.